Are you looking for the best cheap gaming PCs? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap gaming PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Minisforum UM773 Lite Mini PC. The UM773 Lite offers satisfying results in productivity and entertainment. Finishing office routines, watching films, and playing games are easier than ever. The UM773 Lite continues the upgrade-friendly design, the dual SODIMM slots for DDR5, M.2 2280 Pc 4.0 SSD slot and the 2.5-inch SATA 3.0 HDD slot are all available for further upgrade. The thermal system allows the UM773 Lite to run at full load with relatively low temperatures and noise. The upgraded craftsmanship improves the stability and efficiency of liquid metal cooling. The liquid metal is able to transmit heat quickly. Furthermore, the smart fan with 120 blades can run at high RPM at a lower noise level. The UM773 Lite packs full connectivity into a compact body. It has a fully functional USB 4-port, 4 USB Type-A ports, 2 HDMI 4K 60Hz ports and 1 RJ45 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. Measuring only 128mm, 128mm, 48.2mm, the UM773 Lite fits perfectly under the monitors, and can be easily packed in the briefcase during trips or commutes. Number 2. Aotesier affordable computer. With the powerful latest generation hardware and easy customization, you can run basic online games, LOL, CSGO, and have a very smooth office experience. Crush even the most CPU-intensive tasks with the raw processing power of 4-core i8 7680 opening parenthesis 3.5 GHz/3.8 GHz closing parenthesis /i8 9600 opening parenthesis 3.1 GHz/3.4 GHz closing parenthesis Radeon R7 processor graphics card basic frequency 1029 MHz, the 240 GB SSDs of 9600 and 500 GB HDD of 7680 take up much less space, and can load all your games much faster than traditional hard disk drives. Enjoy immersive gaming and quick file transfer without the hassle of slower loading times. If you need more space, please contact with the customer service to add an extra HDD by extra cost. We'd like to fulfill all your needs. Also, there is a sense of style to this Intel desktop gaming PC with shining cooler fans and customizable RGB LEDs. Number 3. Minisforum UM480 Mini PC. We are based in Guangdong, China. Start from 2018. Sell to Eastern Asia 30.00%. Western Europe 15.00%, Southern Europe 10.00%, Northern Europe 10.00%, South America 10.00%, North America 10.00%, Eastern Europe 10.00%, domestic market 5.00%. Always a pre-production sample before mass production always final inspection before shipment. We have a complete personal computer industry chain design / development / production / sales / brand operation. We are the top 1 partner of AMD and the top 3 partner of Intel in the IAT field of mainland China now, the partner of Microsoft China. For samples, we usually arrange FedEx or DHL. For goods over 100 sets, we will suggest customers to choose air freight, which is more cost-effective. The delivery time for samples is 7 days, 10 days for 50 sets, and 15 days for more than 100 sets. Number 4. MXZ DIY Pc. With powerful latest generation hardware and easy customizability, you can get all the power that you need for running the most demanding games like Fortnite, PUBG, World of Warcraft, League of Legends. Equipped with the 10th generation Intel Core i5-10400F processor, and adopts a new generation of welding thermal interface materials to enhance the heat dissipation solution, high special effects for playing mainstream game masterpieces, 3D modeling, and PS graphic design. New power is strengthened, and the ideal is higher. Exclusive studio driver update with plenty of studio-related products. Support PTX accelerated applications, suitable for various design fields. Easily solve the designer's power on. Bid farewell to the troubles of lagging. Help you quickly complete your work and release your creative inspiration. The 500GB SSD take up much less space, and can load all your games much faster than traditional hard disk drives. Enjoy immersive gaming and quick file transfer without the hassle of slower loading times. If you need more space, please contact with the customer service to add an extra HDD by extra cost. We'd like to fulfill all your needs. En outre, il y a un sens du style pour PC de jeu de bureau avec ventilateurs de refroidissement brillant set LED RVB personalizables. Le ventilateur présentiest mes au produit real. Si vous voulez recevoir plus de gags, veuillez contacter notre service client en ligne pour les recevoir. Number 5. Core i5-A8 Gaming PC. With powerful latest generation hardware and easy customizability, you can get all the power that you need for running the most demanding games like Fortnite, PUBG, World of Warcraft. Crush even the most CPU-intensive tasks with the raw processing power of 8-core 16-thread Intel Xeon E5 2650, LGA 2011 slot. Enjoy life like smooth graphical rendering with the ever-reliable Turing Core GTX 1050/GTX 750 dedicated video memory, and you have more choices with GTX 1050/GTX 750 if you like it. For now, the graphics card GTX 1050/GTX 750 has been sold out in China. If you choose shipping from China, please contact with the customer service to change the graphics card into GTX 1050/GTX 750, which is also a good one for gaming. The 240GB/256GB RAM delivery SSDs take up much less space, and can load all your games much faster than traditional hard disk drives. Enjoy immersive gaming and quick file transfer without the hassle of slower loading times. If you need more space, please contact with the customer service to add an extra HDD by extra cost. We'd like to fulfill all your needs also. There is a sense of style to this Intel desktop gaming PC with shining cooler fans and customizable RGB LEDs.